Hey G Squad, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I made turkey wings in the crock pot. I just let them cook overnight for about anywhere from 6 to 8 hours, and when I tell you they were falling off the bone, the seasoning was perfect. Mwah, mwah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one. Bye. Alright, G Squad, so here are all our ingredients, starting with our turkey wings. So now I had these turkey wings soaking in some water, and I add a little lemon juice and vinegar. And so after soaking for about 10-15 minutes, what I'm doing here is I'm just going in now and I'm just giving them a nice little rinse. And then once I drain the water, then I just take them, I give them a final rinse, and then I'm going to add them to my crock pot. And now I'm going to cook these wings on low overnight. This is probably actually, I think I'm cooking is probably like 11:30, 12 o'clock at night. Because again, I want them to slow cook and, be ready in the morning. And then now the remainder of the ingredients are as follows. I'm going to add a pack of this turkey gravy in there, and then I have some bell peppers, rainbow bell peppers. These are some I have left over from another dish, so I'm going to be adding those in addition to cutting up some more bell peppers. I'm going to season it with some Slap Your Mama black pepper seasoning. I have some adobo. Then I'm going to use some of this broccoli cheese soup to add in as well. And then just to, darken it a little, I just add the paprika. So now, as you see, I'm just going to add start adding my ingredients, to the pot, in no particular order. So, I'm just going to like I said, season it, with everything that I showed you here.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
All right, G Squad, so I have all the dry ingredients and the peppers in the crock pot. So now I'm going to follow up with some water. So I start off with the first bottle of water, and then you're going to see I'm going to go on with my spoon and just stir everything up to get the gravy packet and all the seasonings mixed together. And then I'll just follow up with the another bottle or like half a bottle of water, because I want to make sure that my meat is fully covered. Okay, fam, so now that I have everything all mixed together, I'm putting the lid on, and as I said, I have it on slow cook. And yeah, we're just gonna let this baby do its thing, and we will check on it in the morning. Good night. Alrighty, family, good morning. So it's the next day, just about 7 in the morning, and let's check on these wings, and this is how they look. So when I go in, as you can see how tender it is, I'm just going to take the spoon just to demonstrate, and I'm literally cutting it in half, and you see how easily that bone separated. So yeah, these are nice and tender. So now I'm just going to let them cook for an additional, because I'm extra, I'll let them go for another 45 minutes, and boom, as you can see, this is the end result. And so if you wanted to make this like a gravy, you can add like some cornstarch to it and make it a little thicker. Or in this case, if you want to have it like, turkey soup, you can eat it that way. But any case, it tastes really good. It smells amazing. I mean, the family was saying how they smell food throughout the night. But yeah. So family, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.